orange ball has disappointed me.
Yeah, I mean, it was out where he is. You know, but I have no idea why they had it out there, what it was for, and
Well, why do they have it over here
now why
against
is
the
it
shore?
over against the shore? Yeah, I don't know. Had to serve some purpose or something.
Well, I have it marked on my screen.
Yeah.
So we could go to the location of the orange ball, but not, the orange ball is no longer there.
I'm sure it was, wasn't there like a point right there or something?
There's a ledge.
Yeah.
It was right on the edge of the ledge. It was shallow on one side and it dropped off pretty
I don't
severely
remember
on the
when
other
we were
side.
doing that. Was that mostly in
That was last year.
July?
It was about this time, yeah.
Yeah. Early.
I don't remember it. You know, we didn't come out, I think, when it was 90 degrees or whatever out, or 95. I can't remember what the temperature was last year. I don't think the weather was that hot last year.
Not it. Yeah. Seems like we only get maybe a week or here and maybe a week or two all summer of, you know, like this warm.
This is like a unique, like,
They always
high
have
pressure bubble or something.
yeah, they
right?
always have, what is it, a heat bubble or something. They always make something up. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
You got that. Maybe not.
Something was on it.
Something it is. Something definitely picked up.
It's off.
Oh, is it?
You want to see it? Get this little. Let's see.
You need a net?
I don't know, maybe cut it out. It is a little blue. We're going to keep going straight. Otherwise, it's going to turn. Little one.
Oops. Can't get out of the way.
Hey, I'm out in the rain today. I've been out. I went on vacation for 3 weeks at the beginning of June. I came back the last week of June, or last week, close to last week. Anyway, came out 3 times last week, caught 1 fish. The other 2 times only got 1 bite. So it's definitely June, which is, to me, every time I've fished up here, it sucks in June. But I'm up here trying it anyway because I'm retired and I can do it. So I'm just fishing back in Lake of the Woods. Let me see if I can get this. I think that's pretty good. I'm back in Lake of the Woods. It's not much of a breeze yet. I'm fishing with frozen shad that I caught a month ago and threw it in the freezer, so I'm using that. I've been coming out and I've been catching some bluegill and stuff and some crappie and stuff and trying that, and that wasn't successful, so I'm just going to go back and see what the shad will do. I've thrown the cast net and haven't really caught any shad in the cast net. So when we came out before, I saw balls of fish out in the main lake. so I know they're out there. But anyway, I'm just fishing off either side of the boat and out directly out the back. I'm not trying to run floats all the way out the back because it's so shallow here. It's only 8 feet. I'm hoping the fish are in shallow water because of them spawning possibly. This is supposed to be the time that the fish, the blues, spawn. And the spawning, right now also the water temperature is 81 degrees, which is really warm, so the fish are pretty lethargic. It seems like when I fished in 80-degree water before, I'm not very productive. And the same thing during June when it's supposed to be the time of the spawn for the blues. Even though I don't think they really spawned up here, I think they act like they do, but I don't think they really do. Because they stock this lake with blues. But anyway, it's raining. It appears that the tarp is working, so that's a good sign. I'm not appearing to get a bunch of water in here, so I'm just going to float around for a couple hours, then I'm going to head back on home. Hopefully I'll catch a fish or two. Right now I'm drifting about between 0.3 and 0.5 mile an hour. Not really drifting, I'm trolling, I guess, because there's not much wind right now. It's supposed to pick up. It's supposed to get like 5 or 6 mile an hour here a little bit later. And the rain, heavy rain, is supposed to come in around noon. My brother, who has been fishing with me the last couple of times on the videos, he's coming up in his bass boat. He's going to fish. He likes fishing in the rain. The light drizzle in his bass boat. I don't particularly care for being in the rain, so I don't like to get wet. I'm just about a foot or two off the bottom. As I get progressively deeper, I will drop the lines down to the bottom and reel them back up a spin, a turn or two. The shad I caught are all small shad, so I have a full shad on the 2 side poles and then just a body piece on the back pole to see if they want to cut. The 2 on the side, I just cut the tails off and just slit the sides. I am seeing things. I don't know if they're blues or not, but they're fish, according to the fish finder. I'm just going to do circles in this area today. Here we go. He's got one. Here we go. Big one. Chunk. You're right, pretty good on that one. It's all wrapped around this guy. Not bad. Not bad. nice fish. 18 pounds, 34 inches. Well, obviously, they're back here in the shallows. At least that one was. Here we go. £13, 31.5 inches. There we go. two fish I caught are both on head pieces. Just a little better fish than the last one. It's probably at least a 20-pounder. Blowing bubbles. I moved my boat away from the other lines. He was pulling me back to the other lines. Got to the surface. Once he saw the surface, he didn't like that. Let's tuck him out a little bit. More bubbles. Yeah, this is a nice one. This is probably close to 25 to 30 pounds. Not yet. Right into it. £28, 39 inches. This thing just don't come off. Let's hang on this one. Sure is. There's a fish on this one. Not a big one. There's a fish on it. You can see this one go. There's a smaller one on it. A little blue. twofer.
I'll pick this one up.
Mark south.
Or a small one.
Yep, there you go. Oh, is it still on there? Yep,
Must be little.
the little one.
Yeah.
Or is it coming to the boat?
Both, I think. Maybe go for it one. And it's towards the boat.
Yeah, he's not that big. I don't know if you need a net. You can just lift him in, can't you?
Yeah.
Let me have that. Oh, there you go. So much deeper place.
Yeah. Just in that fleshy.
Side of his mouth.
Yeah. That's a bait.
So now. Little
There's
one.
a little one.
That's it for now. See you later.